wave goodbye to everybody still waiting in line because we are never going to see them again. Now, I don't know if you all knew this, but Universal Studios is actually the oldest movie studio in Hollywood. That's right, we've been around for over 100 years, but you can't exist that long without a few skeletons in your closet. You know, the secrets employees whisper about. Everyone who works here knows that Universal has what some might call a clown problem. Actually, it's one clown in particular. It's my ex. No, I'm totally kidding. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Now, some of you might recall that back in the summer of 2016, the Universal backlot was haunted by the sudden appearance of a mysterious clown that the internet came to call Hollywood Harry. It turned out Harry was actually a former actor named Harold Kapowitz. He hosted a children's TV show called Koodles Carnival back in the 1950s, and he also served as the original mascot for the studio tour. After terrorizing the studio throughout 2016, Harry disappeared back into the Hollywood Hills, and everything went quiet again for about 2 years. Then, in 2018, Harry kidnapped a pair of studio tour guides, and he forced them to participate in a demented version of his children's TV show.
Hello, boys and girls. It's your pal, Koodles the Clown.
Now, despite the best efforts of the authorities, the bodies of Scott and Allison, my fellow tour guides, were never recovered, which, I mean, is kind of a bummer, yeah, but it also meant more hours for me, so you win some, you lose some, right? But once again, Harry disappeared back into the Hollywood Hills. It's been about 4 years since we last heard from him, but I don't think he's gone for good. When we reopened the theme park, we found black balloons, Harry's calling card, everywhere. Oh, hello?
Trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something good to eat. Happy Halloween, boys and girls.
Oh my God, it's Scott and Allison.
Gee, Scott, Halloween is my favorite time of year.
Gosh golly, Allison. That's my favorite time of year, too.
I've got a great idea. Let's have a Halloween party.
Hot diggity dog. That's a swell idea.
Yay! Yeah!
No! It's all ruined. I'm sorry, boys and girls. Koodles is sad. I so wanted to have a Halloween party, but we were going to have pumpkins and ghosties and black cats and vampire bats and skeletons and candy. Now I guess I'll have to eat my candy all by myself. Now, who will come to my party? You!
Yeah, I'm not. So I'm gonna go ahead and stay here. But you guys actually don't have that option because this is as far as we're gonna take you. That's right, everybody. You're gonna have to get off and walk. Happy Harry Halloween, y'all.
That's why the line was so quick.
Have a killer time out there.
Oh my god.
Come on, the party is about to begin.
Our first instinct is to avoid the tree. That's why. That's why. Where's the button? I love the button. Oh! What? got that. That's the Fast and Furious. Oh, yeah, that's very cool. I shit my pants. Honestly. Honestly, I think it'd be pretty fun to work. Yeah, it's like a community too. They're like a really close family. Oh yeah. They smoked them. They smoked them. Hitchcock was here. You got me. Hitchcock was here. Oh, you're in the houses! Oh, the houses! You gotta go up there, don't worry. Oh, that's one name down. Okay. I hold your hand. This ride is terrible. We're gonna walk. I hold your hand now. This is yeah. This is so tiring. This is legit? This is legit, yeah. That's legit. No, we can take a picture with him if you want, but I don't know if it's real. I think so.
Wait, so is this the set of Nope?
Huh? No, we're not there yet. We're not there yet. Most of it. We're a third of the way through, don't worry. Very cool.
Norman Vids.
Here we go. Oh, that's scary. Oh my goodness. God. Don't give me the ticket, I swear I'm very spooky.
Hey, I got a call for your dad.
That's a voice.
What?
We want.
Hey, I got some questions for your pop.
Go play.
Good one.
That's entertainment.
Oh, this is a real Boeing 747.
Yeah, I got all one for
that's really funny. That's really funny. Oh my god, I didn't even see it. Oh my god, that was so funny. He got you good.
God, lies.
Ring.
Real person. Yo, hey! Can't touch them. You're gonna beat him, man. You're gonna beat him.
What?
Good song.
No idea what. Maybe they were shooting something earlier.
Can't touch Jack Nicklaus. Oh, who the hell is that?
Oh, here's your third point, Kevin. Oh, you back at work? Oh, not work. Real set. Yeah.
Wait, what is this? Wait, what is this?
I think it was shot. Oh, this is the Nope set. The West Jupiter's Claim. Jupiter's Claim. Yeah.
Real?
Is that real?
It's real?
Coming. They're coming.
Welcome to LMG Vids. Today we're talking about Universal Studios. Some of you guys may know, some of you guys may not. Universal Studios was founded in 1933 by a guy known as L. Ron Hubbard. Yes, that's right, that L. Ron Hubbard. Before, they only used to make little comedy sketches. Now, Universal Studios is one of the biggest producers in movies in Hollywood. Now, guess what? Here's a fun fact for all you viewers at home. Universal Studios Hollywood has only been around for 2 months. That's right, the Universal Studios that you know actually wasn't around for all this time. It only came here 2 months ago. That's all I got.